Nimna, tinggal domok na.
Zenith sangma MLA jongka rang sakona constituency West Garo Hills district, but winnerson sangma MLA ka Salman para constituency minta ka singi ke lalik ban jurib i Kishnong Khappud hagi benta jongka Ribhoi district kibakan thup ye ka Mai Khuli Mayong bara Pathar bar ka Yong Khuli haga jingdon lang ki khot ka Garo Student Union ki Rangbah bar ki paitba ka thain Mai Khuli Hashwa ka jingle jurib shekite Kishnong lapenlong shwa ka jingilang ka balengkon ha ka ying school pule Mai Khuli government LP school naga benta ban sangap ka jing sngo ki paiba nongsong snong jong ka ne ka thain Halor ka jing Pynbeit jong ka sarkar baki kattu katni ki jaka ki badang hap hapo ka jilla Meghalaya kin hap no shaka Assam Hadin ka jing jurib na kaliang Zenith habakran shikilat pathay khubor uloong bo Myntri Rangbah ulay Ialam Bakla ka ying dorbar thaw ain daga bakam ba ka jing soy ka MOU ka day Halor ka jing shimrai lang bat kipait ba Henry Hadin balada bantuat jingmud bat sngap ka jing sngo jing kipait ba nongsong snong ka ni ka thain kilay thu bakam don kum kata ka jing shimrai lang naki bat ki khlam yo lat satya wat tang ban kran lani penpaw ka jing sngo ka jongki kabaya ka ni day ka bala shushimrai tang nasketren.
That too, on the floor of the House, the Honorable Chief Minister has announced that all these areas, before taking any decision, they have discussed, consulted with all the stakeholders, all the villagers. So people's will are being respected and it is taken into consideration before taking this final decision, he said. But when we come to the ground zero, they have not been consulted at all. So this is completely misleading. That too, on the floor of the House, it is very unexpected and unfortunate.
Yes.
Whether it is Chief Minister or any other ministers of the cabinet have come to see what is happening in the ground zero, and without just looking at all this, they have just done the paperwork, sitting in the AC room. Probably they might have signed a MOU, and what we could see is one-sidedly the Assam counterpart, whatever decision they are taking, our Chief Minister might be endorsing what the decision is taken by the Assam counterpart. And this is schedule area. Before we got the statehood, it was under schedule area, even when it was under Assam government. So by having the farsightedness, by forcing, so that our downtrodden tribal people, hill tribes, will not be exploited by those civilized people residing in the plain area. Because of that reason only, our forefathers, under the provision of the Constitution of India, they have given the protection through Constitution that declaring these areas as scheduled area, where the ownership is with kingship and Nokma, wherever it is applicable. Residing in this area, and whoever have attended the meeting, they are saying that we can never allow to share our piece of land with the people of Assam. So they want protection. They want help from the leaders. They are being helpless because they don't have the authority. But the people who are having the authority, they are not coming to help them out, to bail them out. So where they will go? So rather, we may come what may, will never allow to snatch our land. That is their person. See, people residing in these localities, few localities, this is my colleague, so they have been crying for help. And the people from Assam, they are time and again, they are trespassing, they are encroaching and trying to snatch away their land belonging to our indigenous people. So now we have come to see what is happening on the ground zero. And after coming here, we have given hearing to them. We have heard what is their grievances, what is their agonies and pain. And we have come to know that people residing in this area, they are not getting any protection. and with the decision of the government, which was mutually agreed by the Meghalaya government and the Assam government, without taking the people of these localities into confidence. They have signed the MOU, and both the chief ministers of both the states, they have sent the MOU to the government of India, and today probably the chief minister of Assam and chief minister of Meghalaya jointly meeting with the Union Home Minister, and they will get some settlement out there. Now their apprehension is that maybe in this ongoing parliamentary session they will enact this, and maybe they are going to lose their land. That is the thing. So now, on the floor of the House in the just concluded budget session, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya assured that by hearing the will of the people, what is their desire, what they want, whether they want to be part of Meghalaya or part of Assam, by hearing their voice, then only we are deciding, and whatever the people have agreed, accordingly we are acting upon. But when we come to the ground zero, we could see that people residing in this locality, they are completely against the decision of parting this area, the portion of this area with Assam. And no one so far from the government side, whether it is Chief Minister or any other ministers of the cabinet,